WhatsApp messages have a 99% open rate, out of which 97% are opened within the first 15 minutes of delivery. That's incredible, whereas email has maximum 10% for any marketing emails, maybe less. And today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to leverage WhatsApp for your business using ProfitContact. So first we go to WhatsApp and then we click on Add Account. Here we get a code. I'm going to scan it with my own phone right now. Done, as simple as that. And we're logged in. Here we can see my access token as well as all of the information about my device, so we know it's all okay. Then we can see our chats, and here we have our chat. Now we can use ProfitContact to actually chat through WhatsApp, so we don't even have to use the autoresponder or ChatBot. And then we can check out the other features. So here we have an autoresponder, and here I'm just going to set it to individual and just going to type any message. Here we have a preview of how it's going to look on WhatsApp, so you can also post any kind of photos, media, anything you want to make your message look as attractive as possible. You can select it to accept contacts if you don't want some of your contacts receiving this message. And once you click on submit, and anytime someone messages you, you are going to be replying to them with this. So you can set it up whenever you're on a vacation, if you have a business WhatsApp account, or you can send them affiliate links. Anything you want is possible with ProfitContact. Then we have bulk messaging, where we can create our campaign. We can create schedules to manage all of these bulk messaging campaigns. And we can also manage our contacts. For now, I'm just going to create a group with one contact, and now we can create a campaign. Done. And now we're waiting for ProfitContact to send the message. Meanwhile, let's check out the chatbot. The chatbot is using simple syntaxes. So you can select it again to send it to all individual or only to a single group, like the group we just created. So whenever someone sends you a message using a certain keyword, you can make the chatbot reply to that message. So if someone says help, you can then send them to your support page and anything like that. We can create any type of syntaxes we want. And last but not least, we can export all of our contacts, so you can then upload them wherever you want. You can have all of those awesome phone numbers in one place. But that's not all about ProfitContact. You also have access to a file manager, so you can upload images directly into ProfitContact and then directly use them from it. You don't need to upload anything from your desktop, just upload the images here and then use them from ProfitContact. You have captions, so you can write predefined text you can use in your autoresponder, chatbot, wherever you want. And then you have messaging, which is for SMS. And this is only for our pro users. So once you create your list and you add phone numbers, you can also import the list you got from WhatsApp. I'm going to just compose a message right now, something like "This is so cool." I'm just going to send. The list has my phone number, so we should get a message immediately. And surely enough, here it is. Perfect. Now, with that being said, let's check back on my contact in WhatsApp and let's see if the message was sent. And of course, you can see it 43 seconds ago, the message was sent. And as I said, you can also just type here like, "Welcome to ProfitContact." Send, and it will immediately send into our WhatsApp conversation. If I'm checking on my phone, I'll say the exact same thing. You also have cool stats like it shows that you're connected, it shows you your battery, so you can always know what's happening with your device. ProfitContact is incredibly easy to use. And if you want to take your marketing to the next level, take advantage of this offer right now. Thank you, and I'll see you inside.